Yeah, what's up? Just got the car nice and clean. Nice and clean. From the Life Wi-Fi. This is the brand right here. Taking good care of me. Thanks to Mr. Newman. Awesome guy. Ooh, I see some water spots. Yeah. But the reason of this video is because I wanted to show you the installation of the ignition coils. The Okada plasma ignition coils. So put these in yesterday. And they seem to be pretty good. The car runs smoother. And I don't know if it's just me or what. I didn't dyno it, but it seems like there's a little more pull on it. But so far they're so good. Pretty expensive, but seem to be working pretty damn good.